curved or straight magnum, which one to use, and if so, for which applications. Basically, you can do everything with both the curved magnum and the straight magnum. Shading and packing can be done equally well with both versions. So what is the difference? If we take a closer look at the two versions, we can see that with the straight magnum, the needles form a right angle on the outer edges. This means that all the needles are the same length. With the curved magnum, the outer needles are set back. This gives the impression that the needle is describing a curve. So much for the obvious differences. But what does this mean in terms of handling? Let's take a closer look at the two versions in action. Of course, I'm exaggerating here to make it clear what we're talking about. When working with the straight magnum, the edges of the needle, if the machine is not parallel to the surface, penetrate deeper than the rest. This can lead to skin injuries in places where it cannot be guaranteed to keep the needle parallel to the surface. With the curved magnum, this risk is not as great. When the machine is held at an angle, the recessed needles penetrate less deeply and thus reduce the risk of injury. Of course, with practiced handling, neither is a problem, so you should find out for yourself which version seems safer or more practical to you. When shading areas, the curved magnum model is probably the better choice, whereas